Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am going to show you how to create a repository on GitHub. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, open up your browse, then type GitHub. And go to your GitHub account. Then, go to the top right corner and click on it, then select your profile. Once this tab is open, go to Repository. Then to create new repository, click on New. Then here you can give a name for your repository. Then if you want to create a private repository, click on Private. But for now, I want to create public repository. So I am going to click on Public. Then you can add a README file if you want. And you can also add a git ignore. Then click on Create Repository. Then we are now created our new repository. So if you want to add a file to your repository, you can click here and you can create a new file or upload a file. So this is how you can create a repository on GitHub. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be facing similar issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.